Wow. So I bought my new phone here, and as you can see, wow, I really am ugly. Holy good. Man, I thought I was ugly before. Wow. Woo. Thanks a lot, 5G. Thanks a lot. My goodness, I guess I'll be hitting the gym more often now. But I wanted to check it out. See, since I'm around all this green, I wanted to see how the colors look. Yeah. Not bad. I desperately needed a new phone. Oh my God, I had to constantly reboot. Oh, hey, I hope you enjoy this because just a few minutes ago, I busted my ass getting trash out of the creek. I about broke my neck. Why doesn't Nike make non-skid shoes? Why? Why? I don't get it. Yes, I know I shouldn't have been wearing my Nike, but my goodness, can I have casual Sunday on a Tuesday? Come on now. So yeah, I busted my ass picking up some trash out of the creek. That tells you how determined I am to get the crap out of here. I am not getting that. See that right there? I am not getting that. Forget it. I don't know how that happened. Alright, so I want, again, thank you guys. I love this phone. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have so much fun with it. So, thank you. Sorry I'm so ugly, so scary looking with this 5G. Going on 3 minutes here, so let me get off here. Let me know what you think of the quality. It's better than that last one I had, that's for sure. So, thank you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't too, and over on TikTok if you would, okay? Have a great night, guys. Thank you. Be careful.